It's a cute little room here. I have this closet with a safe and oh, there's a fridge in here, I guess. What is this? Oh yeah, it is a fridge. Extra pillows, hangers, which are way up there. Thankfully I could reach. I'm tall enough to reach it. But the weird thing is, there's this very, very short toilet. This is super short. Bathroom looks a little dated, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, I'm just going to be here to sleep, so it just has to be clean and everything. Yeah, you know, the tank is up top, completely separate from the bowl. Nice little bed. Got these windows here that it's really, really quiet. You know, even though it's Rome, it's really quiet here, and there's no screen. And this would never pass in Canada or anything, because I'm on the 3rd floor and somebody could just leap out of here. You know, somebody with mental health issues. But this is Italy. Nobody has mental health issues here. Everybody's happy. I just walked by a gelato place and it's almost midnight. What an adventure. Yeah, what an adventure.